Hello folks, my name is Shawn Crum, and on my channel I cover content on how to fight cancer. I have been battling Hodgkins Lymphoma Cancer for over 12 years now, going on 13 this year, and it's been non-stop. I've never achieved remission, so that's 12 years, over 12 years like I said. Non-stop chemo, non-stop radiation, just 365, 7 days a week. At this point, I have reached the end of conventional treatments and therapy, and I've moved on into the experimental realm of things, per se. And I am currently doing a drug trial at M&D Anderson in Houston, Texas, for the CAR NK cells. Since 2018, actually, I've been uploading live videos to help spread the word not only about my fight, but to help encourage others to fight as well. I hope that whoever my videos reach, they will inspire you to keep your head in the fight and stay positive. Even if you find yourself going up against impossible odds. In addition to prayers and positive thoughts, please consider others going through hard times and those battling cancer. Now, hard times, it could be anything in life. The things that you're going to learn from the way that I do business in life, both mentally and physically, they're applicable in other things in life, other challenges, tribulations, battles. You can use them and plug and play them into many different situations, especially when it comes to the mental health aspect of it. So, feel free to emulate something that might work for you and apply it to your life to make yourself better. That's what we do, right? Drug trials like I'm doing here at M&D Anderson, they're created to help pave the way for newer drugs and newer technology. They can help cancer patients become survivors. I mean, I'm at the forefront of technology, and it is impressive and beautiful. If I can just help one person, though, through these videos, then I feel like my job is done, is complete. I just want to help. I want to do my part. I'm very self-motivated. I was in the service for 12 years, which is a majority of my life. And I basically took being a soldier in my service and applied it into my cancer fight. And that's how I've been very successful. I'll never quit. I will never accept defeat. I will only accept absolute and total victory against cancer. Or I will die fighting and die trying. That is just how we are built, and that is how I approach this. In these videos, you're going to see how I was able to adapt and overcome a lot of the challenges that are associated with chemotherapy and radiation, like eating or, for example, loss of my teeth. I actually lost all of my teeth. I have false teeth, top and bottom, because just many years of very hard chemos, they take their toll on the human body. And I had to get them all removed so that I didn't get a terrible infection. So I had to adapt and overcome that. I had to learn how to use false teeth. I had to learn a new way of doing things. And it was even challenging for me. It was one of the hardest things that I actually had to adapt and overcome. But I did. And it's things like that, by being flexible and dealing with the damage and dealing with life, being able to roll with the punches, maintain a positive mental state, and never quit. You can do so much. You're basically unstoppable. Now, granted, there are people that fight this way in this cancer fight, and they fail. They lose. It happens. But wouldn't you want to give yourself a chance like I had? Because I've been very successful in taking a small chance in hell, or, terrible odds, and coming out on top and in good shape because of how I approach it, which you'll learn from the videos. And not only are you going to learn it from videos, but videos go, about my life, how my life is. I'm retired now, at the age of 37. So, even though I'm pretty messed up physically, I still get hard work done. I own a homestead, and, I have a family. So, the work doesn't stop just because you're sick, and the world doesn't stop turning just because you're sick. So you got to learn how to function when you are sick, and get back into the world to be successful. And not to be passed up. And you'll see how I was able to do that. And then you're going to come along with me, because you're going to see what I do every day and how I do things, and I post videos, and I like to have a lot of fun. I really do. I do really funny stuff. Sometimes I do some really stupid stuff that's funny, and everybody laughs, and that's what it's all about. We'll have a good time together, and we'll all learn something at the same time. I answer questions from viewers. A lot of times they leave them in the comment section, and I do answer the questions. Sometimes I get questions like, what is chemotherapy like? What does it feel like? What is radiation like? And what does it feel like? How was I able to do this for as long as I have done? It's just really great questions I get from everybody. So keep them coming. Feel free to ask any type of questions, and I'll get back to you the best that I can. I hope that these videos can help anybody with any type of adversity, but especially those who are starting their cancer battle. I designed these videos so that they can see what it is like. And I designed these videos, even though they're personal in nature to me and sometimes uncomfortable to talk about, I designed them to show you that it is possible. That yes, cancer may be scary and everything at first, but you can be scarier. You can be the bigger monster, and you can win your fight. It's all about this up here and this in here. Brain and heart. And I'll show you how to utilize that and be successful. Plus, we're going to have a good time. I have a great time. We're going to drink beer. We're going to be in my garage some days. We're going to be on the tractor doing work some days. We're going to be outside picking up sticks. I'm probably going to fall while walking through the yard, talking on the phone. Like, things happen, it's a reality TV show here. So it is reality. And we're going to have a great time doing it. Honestly, God, I am a high-tech redneck, so you're going to see what life is like doing that and doing what I can do with cancer. So I hope you enjoy the channel. Subscribe, if you will, and please pass this along to other folks, especially if they're starting a cancer journey. Tell them to subscribe, because there's a lot of good content in here, a lot of tips and tricks that I've learned throughout the years to be successful. And I hope to see you guys around. Enjoy the channel, everyone, and thanks for watching.